Yeah, we made it to the destination. And from here, it's going to be Meta Universe. All right. Welcome to Black Eskimo Media. Welcome to the life of Black Eskimo. We going ice fishing today. They got the sled ready to go across this ice bridge. This way. Excuse me for that, but yeah. I got my water right here.
Can you hook that thing up?
Yes, I can. And look. Yeah, that worked out perfectly by putting them 4 anchors on there and strapping it down. And we heading off yonder way. It's my first time, so I always get a little iffy about these little spots, even though they be frozen thick. It's like, man, hopefully this one of them spots where it stays so cold it freezes through.
It's fucking annoying how thick it is.
And I guess because they were saying something about Big Lake, and Big Lake had somebody go through, but I'm like, that's too deep to be playing with light winters.
Next thing you gotta help me out with is get strapped.
No problem at all. So, on the back parts, yep. All right, I'm out here.
There's a lot of goddamn snow out here.
Yes. All right, we did our hike. We're in the middle of the lake where we want to be. Now it's time to
Get ripping.
get in some kind of.
There's a lot of snow. You gotta dig out.
Just show me where to dig at. And I start the show.
Right here, Jeff.
Okay.
So you got this area.
So by the square.
Yeah. As best as you can here.
Look at that. Out here on the ice was warm in the tent.
Foggy out here.
4 fish in, and yeah.
Hey, Matt, stop recording.
Look at that. Out here on the ice was warm in the tent.
Foggy out here.
4 fish in. Yeah, we finally made it out here. Got the tent set up. You can get in the auger set, table set. And we the only people out here. Good day. I would have gave y'all.
When I come out, after I'm done doing a pilot throw, push the tent back, and then I'll get the rest.
Okay. I would have gave y'all the metal view, but it's so cold, the metal's died, but we in here. Pull it back.
Up on this part here, this corner. Sit it down. Good.
Well, we finally got it up.
That's it, man.
Finally got it up and going.
Now it's just time to slay some fucking fish.
Yep. Hey, appreciate it, man.
Yeah.
Let me.
It's hard to set up, but now
I mean,
we just chilling.
the way you did it wasn't hard to set up at all to me. So,
It's all about how you pre-pack.
I see that. So I'm finna, all right, I'm gonna get at y'all in a minute. I'm finna take a piss and we're gonna do some fishing. But everything's set up. Everything good. Okay. Get on in here. Got the ice fishing chair. So, damn, that's deep. It's pretty deep. So,
Now you can see how down there real good, huh?
yep.
So, at times, this lake will pop loud. It'll go boom.
Okay.
You got nothing to worry. I
And
was sitting here fishing one time on Finger Lake, and we heard a big fucking boom, and that crack split right between me and Chrissy.
damn.
You got nothing to worry about.
Okay.
Just sound goofy.
Is it just the lake settling or something?
Yeah, pop in pressure, earthquake, could be anything. And whatever you have, watch this hole.
Yeah, I'm
It's a
finna.
stealer of souls, man. Hold your pole.
Let me sit it right here on the side of me, cause I gotta come up out this coat. I like to be comfortable, and I'm sure.
Oh yeah, that's why I took my shit off.
Yeah, I like to be comfortable in there.
Alright.
See straight down the hole.
Yes, sir.
Okay then.
I got this heater ripping. Bada boom, baby. We got heat.
We got heat and we about to have fish.
Oh, yeah.
Okay. We got this here. Body way to keep that going.
Shit.
Metal right here. What, you lost some?
Yep, the bait. Check the bait under the table. Alright.
Alright.
Oh, one more thing I need to get. Gotta get the pliers out.
Okay, yeah.
Pliers are right here. Get baited up in the light, and then.
And me personally, I think that heater keep it pretty warm in here.
Oh, bro, it's gonna be way nice.
And I kept the hand things for my feet just in case. Alright, y'all ready? My first time ice fishing. Some pretty thick ice.
You know how much ice it takes for a grown man to walk on it?
What, is it like 2 inches?
2 inches.
Alright. Let's see how oh shit. Okay. Let's see. I'm used to putting my stuff all the way through it. Okay. Alright, y'all. First time ice fishing. And you say I wanted to be where. Okay. Is it at the bottom of the hole? It's hard to tell.
And this is what we do, baby.
I guess I get what you're saying.
So whenever I'm doing like this, you'll start to feel like your line will tighten up.
Yeah.
And then it will start to kind of go like this. And there's times I do big jigs sometimes. So, and sometimes I just do little jerks, It's just, you're trying to, A, get the scent out there, and B, cause some movement to catch fish's eye.
Yeah.
And once they take it, pull up like this, boom, hit it, and then grab your pole and high up, start reeling.
Okay. All right. Oh no, I don't worry about it. I keep it raw for television.
That's cool that we got to bring the truck down there.
Yeah.
That's cool.
Pretty damn cool. I'll give it that.
If once I get bigger tires on my four-wheeler, and I drive my four-wheeler out here, I could drive the truck out here. I just don't want to get stuck on the entrance coming in.
Yeah, that'll be the pain in the ass.
It'd be fun. If I had a winch on the front of my truck, then I wouldn't mind. But and this ice is fucking way thick enough for my truck.
And I'm seeing it now. Yeah, it's down there.
I say easy 3 foot. And you'll see the fish come by like by your bait.
Mm-hmm.
You'll see them swim by. I bet you get the first one.
Let's see.
I bet you, man. Every person that I took for the first time, they always caught the first one. Other than Jeff.
All right.
He lost his phone. He's a sad boy.
It's probably still in the bottom of this lake, too.
Oh, it is. It is. It's probably about 15 feet to my left. And my fishing pole is probably about 25 feet forward that way. I wasn't afraid of water. I don't like going underwater. I'll swim in it. I don't like being underneath.
See, I was a lifeguard.
Like, that's fine. Like, I can swim all day, you know? But when it comes to, like, scuba diving or anything like that.
Oh, yeah.
Like, I went snorkeling at the Great Barrier Reef in Australia. And I swam down, you know, to try to get to the reef. And I'm like, that's close. So I started kicking my feet. I kicked so many times. I'm like, I don't know if I have enough oxygen to get back up. It's so deceiving under there. I don't like that.
Yep, when you're at the bottom, you think you're at the top and you're not.
Yeah, it's deceiving.
Okay, it seems like something trying to nibble at my shit, but I don't see nothing.
Like, you'll see the paint, and then you'll see it, your line get tight and the paint disappear.
Put some of these damn feet warmers on too once I get in here. Cause I got on all rubber.
Yeah, those are good boots though.
Yeah, they
Dry
good.
shots, they're
Yep.
great.
When you get once you get your feet heat going, they pretty much hold it. I just put them up under there because we at a standstill. And my toes, the only thing, I don't know why my toes be the first thing to.
That's what I'm saying. Like, how fucking warm it is in here, dude. Man, like.
Yeah, like it ain't what I thought it was. Even I could see where if the wind blowing and you got it tightened down, you'll still be alright.
Oh yeah. Typically, when the wind's blowing, I'll drill all 4 corners down, and then I'll fill snow. That lip that comes out, you're supposed to pack snow around that.
Oh, okay.
So that's, you know, like, it's supposed to be completely sealed to where you don't see light underneath the bottom. I don't feel that's necessary, you know. No, I've had come out here when it's, you know, 15, 20 below, and the wind's just ripping, and then I have to drill it down and then pack ice or pack
snow around it.
Yeah.
I'm just trying different techniques.
Hey man, take a picture.
I got mine on full-fledged record. Yes.
No got time for that, Chris Williams.
Right. My buddy in Fairbanks, he up, and that's one guy I do. He stay gone a lot from Illinois,
Oh, okay.
and he go hunting a lot in Oklahoma,
Yeah,
Ohio rather.
that's a good place to hunt. It's a good whitetail there.
Yeah, that's what he doing. He bait bears and hunt them. Never got out with him because he's a slope worker, and his schedule was like, boy. And he built scaffold, so he was gone for a minute.
Oh yeah. Oh, I just saw one.
Pass by you.
Because there's times they'll pass by me and go hit yours. And usually we have 3 holes across because this is 3-person tent.
Oh.
So usually somebody's sitting in the middle. And I'll catch fish. Like Chrissy, she was in the middle. She caught the most. So it don't matter what side you sit on. and sometimes, just to mess with depth, I'll go farther than I can't even see it, and then I just go by feel.
That's what I was thinking about. Yeah, that's what I thought about.
Yeah, it's all a playing game, you know. You go up, you go down.
Yep, I'll let it go down a little more. Cause that's what I normally do with them trout. I notice they hang deep. And you say this here about 25 feet deep?
Yeah, 20, 25 feet.
I think I'm gonna try that depth.
Yeah, there ain't no wrong way, man. Thing I just like is quiet. It's peaceful. There ain't shit out here. The only people on the lake.
Yep, that is the bonus.
This is my peace. Like, we were supposed to go fishing yesterday, and so I canceled my mental health appointment because I'm like, what's more important, this or going to an appointment? Like, if I'm going to a mental health appointment, why not do something for my mental health?
I felt something.
Did you?
Yeah.
Good shit, man.
Making sure the little fuckers didn't rob me. I think they fucking did.
They be like that sometimes.
Let me see. I think they freaking got me. If I'm correct, yep, nibbled off the end of it.
Oh, you're way good.
Okay, they nibbled off the end of it. I knew I felt something.
You're drawing them in.
Cause I'm going a little deeper.
Once I start getting that first nibble, then I'm gonna tell my eyeballs to turn on.
Yeah, let's go pay the fishies a visit. Where they at? And go down to their world. Since they don't like to move in and they don't like to expel. Yep, damn show is.
There we go, baby. There we go. Not bad, huh?
That ain't bad at all. That's a lake trout.
Rainbow.
Rainbow.
Oh, yeah. Hey, Meta, take a picture.
Oh, son of a bitch. Got him.
Go, buddy. Go, 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 go.
Get my medals. Fuck my medals. Where are my fucking medals? Oh, I got them still.
No, just keep reeling. Don't stop. I got it recording.
Okay. Oh, it's a big fucker. He's taking me under the ice. I got
No,
enough.
no. Hold on.
Okay.
I'm on you.
You on me?
Yep. You need to take this.
Okay. Oh, that's you on me. Okay. Did he hit mine? Or, oh, we hooked.
Oh, you're
Oh, shit.
hooked on me.
Damn it. Oh, fuck. I got you.
Hey, you caught a John.
I was excited. I fucking took it. It took it. It fucking took it. It fucking took it. Oh, that's you.
That's me. Okay, I'm just making sure. Oh, man. Can you open up flap? Oh shit! No, hold on. You're good. You're good. You good? I got it. Here, buddy, and you can have that. Go. Get it, buddy. Keep reeling. High pole, high pole. There it is.
Got him.
Get it, buddy.
Got him. Get your ass. Oh, I got a decent one.
Oh, get it out. Get out of the hole. Get it over the hole. Good work, dude.
Fuck yeah.
Good work.
Got this son of a bitch.
Oh, it's that.
Shit. Oh, shit. Got him.
Hell
That
yeah.
is a nice fuck.
That's a nice fish, dude.
That's fucking nice.
All right, hold him up to me. Let me see.
Oh, you
No.
son of a fuck. No. Shit.
Put your dick meats on there.
Shit.
Brother. Yeah.
I throw his ass back and just
That's a good fish. You keep that one.
Okay.
All right.
Yeah.
So you're gonna hold it when you do it. Grip it like this and like this, okay?
All right.
So around the head and around the tail. You can even leave a little tail out, okay? All right, you got it. Go a little higher on the head. There you go. Keep reeling. High pole, high pole. There it is.
Got him.
Get it, buddy.
Got him. Get your ass. Oh, I got a decent one.
Oh, get it out. Get it out. Get it out. Good work, dude.
Fuck yeah.
Good work.
Got this son of a bitch. Come your. Oh shit. Oh shit. Got him. That is a nice fucker.
That's a nice fish, dude.
That's fucking nice.
All right, hold him up to me. Let me see.
Oh, you son of a fuck. No. Shit.
Put your dick meats on there.
Shit.
Yeah.
I throw his ass back and just
That's a good fish. You keep that one.
Okay.
All right.
Hell yeah.
So you're gonna hold it when you do it. Grip it like this and like this, okay?
All right.
So around the head and around the tail. You can even leave a little tail out, okay? All right, you got it. Go a little higher on the head. There you go. Hey, Meta, stop recording.
Fucking got him.
Let me see. Hold it up like this. Hey, Meta, take a picture. Yeah, buddy.
Yes.
Good work. That's a nice one.
Yes. He's fucking huge, dude. Damn, he huge.
Yeah, that's the biggest one.
Damn.
That's the biggest one.
Damn, he's huge. Yes.
Good work, brother.
Yes. First time fucking ice fishing and I
What I'm talking about.
That is how you ice fish. Oh, yes. First ice fish, people of the day. After about, what, an hour and a half. Now I got to clean out my ice hole and rehook my bait and rehook. Yeah, I had a snap. He was big. Big guy. Snap me on off. It's all good, but I got him. I gotta take that home, man. First time ice fishing. Oh man, they know where the food at.
That
now.
is nice, bro.
That was
That's
a nice
fish.
I told you, dude. I kept seeing them circle, and I'm like, he fucking circling pretty hard. And next thing you know, he came. I seen him. The bait disappeared, and I just yanked. And it was right in the corner of his fucking mouth, you motherfucker, yes.
That was good.
Okay, there we go. Oh, I'm amped. Oh, I'm amped. I'm amped. I'm amped. I am amped. Yes. All right, y'all. We going back to the shrimp bowl. I'm putting another shrimp on. And I feel like Jeremy Wade, fish on. Fish on, baby. Fish on. So, let me get mine set right. I want it right where when they snag it, I got them. And you know what? We gonna drop him back down there. And let him get himself in there. And while that's dangling, I'm going to reach behind me and take another shot of this.
Absolutely. Another one that deserves
That
some
deserves
accolades.
That deserve it. So while I'm posting my fish reel for now.
That deserves some accolades.
Yes. Yes.
Congratulations,
Yes.
brother.
Appreciate it. So remember, y'all, when you're in Alaska, you take you something to drink and something to smoke if you smoke. And let's see what we can do here, people. Let's get it going again. I had it a little further down that time, too. So what I'm learning and what I'm being taught, you got to have it a little far down. Oh, man, that was exciting.
That was so good. That was so good.
First time ice fishing. Finally caught my first one. Whew. Let's see what else we got going on down here in the abyss.
Oh, you fuck!
You start reeling, start reeling.
I got him. Metal record. I got another one. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. Keep recording, baby. Got him again.
That's what I'm talking
Second
about.
one of today. Hell yeah. Second one of today off the shrimp.
A little smaller, you want to throw him back?
Throw him back. Yeah,
All right.
Yeah, we can throw him back.
There you go.
Hey, there it is. Get him back in there.
Woo-hoo-hoo!
Yes.
Yeah, dude. Yeah.
Yes. Once again, second fish on a quick drop. Man, let's get this shrimp back in. That's the second fish.
Dude, they're in. They're in.
Dude,
The school's in.
They in here now. They know where the food at.
You start reeling.
Oh, no.
Start reeling.
I got him. Metal record. I got another one. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. Keep recording, baby. Got him again.
That's what I'm
Second
talking
one of
about.
today. Hell yeah. Second one of today off the shrimp.
A little smaller, you want to throw him back?
Throw him back. Yeah,
All
yeah.
right.
We can throw him back.
There you go.
Hey, there it is. Get him back in there. Yes.
Yeah, dude. Yeah.
Yes. Yes. Once again, second fish on a quick drop. Man, let's get this shrimp back in. That's the second fish.
Dude, they're in. They're in.
Dude,
The school's
they
in.
They in here now. They know where the food at.
Hey, Meta, stop recording.
Y'all, that was my second fish in a matter of, what, a minute? Soon as I drop the bait, it's in there. All right, y'all. Y'all ready for another one? Let's get it, baby. We gonna drop one more in here. And the last time I dropped it, as soon as it dropped down, the fish hit it. So let's go down a little more. And let's see what we got here, people. Let's see. Last time I dropped straight in and had a direct hit. Let's see now. I don't know if y'all can see that jig. I can, but I don't know how sharp the Metavision is. But I'm going to play this song. Play this little bobble song. And let's see what we going to get on this one. Man, that was exciting.
That's
Real
so
exciting.
Awesome, man. That's so awesome.
Yeah, it's time. Hey, Meta, stop recording. He's still around.
Oh, dude, there's so many. There's 3 of them, 3 big ones.
Oh, I just seen one scoop by.
Oh! Shit, I lost my bait. Keep yours down there. They're all down there. Big ones. Come on.
Here we go.
Got him. Good shit.
Beautiful, dude.
That's good shit.
Oh,
yes,
yeah.
sir.
Oh, yeah. It's going back. Go ahead, buddy. Appreciate you. Oh, shit. That's floating back. No, it's alright. I pulled him up too quick. You got it.
Oh, when you pull them up too quick, it stun them or something?
Yeah. So, honey, take it. And then it just needs to get his bearings back, and then it'll go. Come on. Don't hit my dick. There we go. Hey, Meta, stop recording.
Good news, good one. Yeah, that's a good one. That's a nice size one.
That's a good one. That's a keeper.
Oh, most definitely. That's about like the one I caught, and it looked like a female that's pregnant, if I'm not mistaken.
Hey, Meta, take a picture. I didn't record that one.
I did.
Oh, nice.
Yes, I got it. Yep.
Nice, huh?
Yep, that was a good day of fishing. 11 kept 3. Yeah, pretty nice day.
Not too bad.
I
man.
say.
Not too bad, brother.
I appreciate that. Pretty good day, and till next time, we'll be out here. All right. It's about being a true Alaskan. We dragging. See why you have ice, please.
Yeah.
All right. It's about being a true Alaskan. We dragging see why you have ice fleets. This is how you get your, this is how you get your fish and shit off the lake. We're gonna make it all the way up on top of the frozen lake. Yeah, I see why.
See why I took so many breaks?
Hell yeah.
Oh, fuck.
You don't understand. This is not easy. So the next time, y'all, we'll see you. Whew! I am out of shape like shit. So we done fishing, that's the catch. So we gonna get these guys cleaned up real good. That's some pretty nice ones there. Some pretty nice guys right there. Appreciate you, God. Thank you, Lord, for blessing us with these fish. And yeah, guys, this is the Alaskan life. You go ice fishing, you kick the shit, you come back with fish, and hey, it was a good day.